In this video, we are looking at help desk operations. A help desk is the simple organized point where customer issues are received, logged, assigned, tracked, and closed, whether they come by phone, in the banking, or through digital channels. And the Nigerian practice, as digital banking launches, the help desk becomes the front line for USSD failure, mobile app errors, PIN and BVN problems, and agent disputes. In a lean microfinance bank, one or two officers must log every contact, own it through to closure, and report recurring fault to operations and IT daily. All right. So this feedback can also help the bank to understand, to help manage customer experiences. And that customer experiences can also facilitate effectiveness and efficiency of the system. Okay. As the IT and operations will be mindful of those concerns and how to put in palliative or remedial measures in the bank daily operations. Okay, and how do we do that and do it effectively? Define rules and coverages. Ticket log with owner and turnaround time. Ticket log with owner and turnaround time. Service level target per issue type. Okay, there are issues when, yes, the customer will not complain in the same language, but when a thematic review is done on the complaint of the customer, you will realize that you can put those complaints in category. And here we are saying that service level target per issue, there is an expectation, there is a way that these issues are to be treated. Okay, standard responses and knowledge base. There should be a standard for responses, and there should be basic knowledge, requisite knowledge that will make an help desk person to be efficient. Then support for USSD app and agent banking issues. They are there to provide such support. Of course, it's an IT thing. Not everybody is really IT inclined. Okay. And when the customer have these issues based on their experiences with dealing with the bank, it is the help desk person, the customer service agent, that are in better position, okay, to handle these matters. Then daily and weekly issue reporting. Escalation procedure. Once these issues are noted, there are escalation procedure. They note that the frontline staff cannot settle every matter. Suspected fraud, large dispute amount, interbank reversal through NIBBS, that's Nigeria Interbank Settlement, either scheme or system, and threat of regulatory referral must move quickly to branch management, the head of operation and compliance. Where the bank still cannot resolve them, they are to be directed to the central bank or Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporations. Okay, so one thing that matters is, number one, know the escalation matrix. Know exactly how to handle each level of escalation. Number two, escalate suspected fraud and anti-money laundering concerns immediately. That's AML. Okay. Route interbank issues through the NIBSS and partner banks. Route interbank issues through what? NIBSS and partner bank. Remember, we said that uh, NIBBS is Nigeria Interbank Settlement System, okay, and partners. Hand over with full record, not verbal summaries. Tell the customer where the case now stands. Track every escalated case until it is closed. Service recovery strategy. Service recovery is the deliberate action of a bank takes after it has failed a customer to correct the error. Explain it honestly and restore the customer confidence. That's the caution. It is to be explained honestly and it is to be explained in manner such that the confidence of the customer is not lost. How do we go about that? We are required to you acknowledge failure without excuses. Notify customer proactively during downtime. Correct or reverse promptly within policy limits. Give a realistic timeline and keep to it. Follow up after resolution to confirm satisfaction. Feed the root cause back so it does not reoccur. It does not reoccur. Then lastly, let's talk about customer retention. Customer retention, talking of ability to keep customer retention is a sustainability concern, okay, of an effective customer service system. And what is the core principle? Know each customer's business and repayment cycle. Honor repeat loan and graduation promise on time. Reward good repayment with better terms or limits. Stay visible in the market, community, and cooperative. Track dormant accounts and win them back deliberately. Ask satisfied group members for referral. What does it mean? Retention is the ability to keep a customer banking with the institution over time rather than constantly replacing customer who leaves. Keep them. Don't say if they leave, we will replace them. Keep them. Ability to keep them. And it must start from ability to satisfy them, as we have discussed previously. Why does it matter in Nigeria? A microfinance customer can move easily to another microfinance bank, a commercial bank, a fintech app, a cooperative society, or an informal ajo collector. Retaining that customer protects deposit balances, stabilize the loan portfolio, and cost far less than acquiring a new customer. This is important. In the next class, in the next discussion, we'll be looking at professional telephone etiquette, among other things. Thank you.